3, 2, 1.
Only 9% of U.S. households owned a television in. The answer is A, 1950. What is the real name of the famous Spanish humorist, El Rositas? The answer is D, Juan Joya Borga. How many members are in the Japanese rock band Scandal? The answer is D, 4. What was Britney Spears' debut single? The answer is C, Baby One More Time. When did construction of the Suez Canal finish? The answer is D, 1869. Former United States President Bill Clinton famously played which instrument? The answer is D, saxophone. Which of these is the only fighter in the game Super Smash Bros. Melee capable of dealing damage with their taunt animation? The answer is D, Luigi. Who wrote the musical composition Rhapsody in Blue? The answer is A, George Gershwin. In the year 1818, novelist Mary Shelley is credited with writing a fiction novel and creating this infamous character. The answer is C, Frankenstein's monster. What year was hockey legend Wayne Gretzky born? The answer is D, 1961. What was the first game ever released that ran on the Source engine? The answer is C, Counter-Strike, Source. In Mean Girls, who has breasts that tell when it's raining? The answer is D, Karen Smith. In The Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers, where are the party of orcs taking the hobbits? The answer is C, Isengard. Silhouette, a song performed by the group Kanabun, is featured as the 16th opening of which anime? The answer is D, Naruto, Shippuden. Which of the following European languages is classified as a language isolated? The answer is B, Basque. Which one of these chassis codes are used by BMW 3 Series? The answer is A, E46. Which of these automotive brands originated in Sweden? The answer is A, Volvo. Which of these albums is a Wu-Tang Clan album? The answer is B, Iron Flag. What nucleotide pairs with guanine? The answer is D, cytosine. What is the most challenging monster in the Dungeons & Dragons 5th edition monster manual? The answer is B. Terras. Who directed the Kill Bill movies? The answer is B. Quentin Tarantino. What was the name of the first artificial Earth satellite launched by the Soviet Union in 1957? The answer is D. Sputnik 1. This former Air Force and NASA engineer is the inventor of the Super Soaker water gun. The answer is C. Lonnie Johnson. In the Magic: The Gathering universe, the Fallen Empire's expansion takes place on which continent? The answer is C. Sarpedia. What is the capital of Senegal? The answer is B. Dakar. What nationality was the famous artist Van Gogh? The answer is A. Dutch. What nationality was the famous artist Pablo Picasso? The answer is B. Spanish. Which Landsat satellite currently has had the longest operational life? The answer is D. Landsat 5. Which of these track and field events is not included in the Olympic men's decathlon? The answer is D. Hammer throw. Which of the following movies was not based on a novel by Stephen King? The answer is A. The Thing. Who is one of the co-princes of Andorra? The answer is D. The President of France. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The answer is C. Leonardo da Vinci. In Phantasy Star Online 2, which is the first area that you are granted access to? The answer is B. Forest. Which game did Sonic the Hedgehog make his first appearance in? The answer is D. Rad Mobile. In aeronautics, flaps and slats are used to control what on an aircraft? The answer is B. Lift. How many degrees Fahrenheit is 100 degrees Celsius? The answer is D. 212. The song Feel Good Inc. by British band Gorillaz features which hip-hop group? The answer is D. De La Soul. In what year was Metal Gear Solid released in North America? The answer is C. 1998. During what war did the Cuban Missile Crisis occur? The answer is D. Cold War. In Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, which of the following pair of characters are not considered Echo Fighters? The answer is D. Link and Young Link. With which team did Michael Schumacher make his Formula One debut at the 1991 Belgian Grand Prix? The answer is B. Jordan. Which of the following Pacific Islander countries is ruled by a constitutional monarchy? The answer is C. Tonga. What North American tourist attraction is served by the Maid of the Mist Tour Company? The answer is C. Niagara Falls. What was the name of the mysterious island in Jules Verne's The Mysterious Island? The answer is B. Lincoln Island. Which artist painted the late 15th century mural The Last Supper? The answer is D. Leonardo da Vinci. What was the name of the image that features as the default background wallpaper for Windows XP? The answer is A. Bliss. Which race in Guild Wars 2 believes in the eternal alchemy? The answer is A. Azura. According to Bram Stoker's novel, in which British coastal town did Dracula come ashore? The answer is B. Whitby. In addition to his career as an astrologer and prophet, Nostradamus published a 1,555 treatise that included a section on what? The answer is C. Making jams and jellies. Bohdan K. Khmelnytsky was which of the following?